Like he was saying, this truck's from Brazil, so import it from Brazil.
Yeah, it's a Brazilian old Chevy from Brazil. They made them from 64 to 84, and they only came 2-wheel drive.
How'd you guys find it? Were you looking online and found this truck? Or?
Well, we found the truck from an importer in Florida. So we hollered at Hamlet on the Chevy truck and got us one in. So we just got y'all's adapters, both them all, and works. Looks great. You get just an extra channel to hide some wiring and all that and keep that old school look.
Yeah. So change it up. Those look good on there. I love the stacks on it. It looks really cool.
And we use an American K-Series chassis to get us a solid front axle and all the old school components we needed, like that twin stick MP205, the full speed manual, and get all the parts we wanted. We had to use it for adapters, and Holly made this great Milborn EFI setup, but it only fit the LS3. And we had a perfectly fine 6-liter Billet with some U-heads. We don't want to go through the whole process of getting a new set of
switch it all out.
Actually a nice channel to kind of hide some wiring behind that little gap. So.
Yeah.
No, it's worked out great.
I like that they're painted. You don't even notice it.
Exactly. Yeah, we try to hide everything, make it look traditional as possible.
Yeah.
What's different between the American version and the Brazil version of this truck?
Absolutely everything. We found out the hard way that no American parts fit this truck. That's the only bolt-on parts that worked. Yeah, so it was designed by Lou Steyer, who was the American truck designer in the 50s and 60s. He went to Brazil and designed there, and this is the first truck they made. So it's got some design cues from the 60 to 66 and even the 67 to 72 trucks. But everything's completely different all the way around on the truck. You guys want to see the rest of it?
Yeah, let's check it out.
So we sat on some 18-inch wheels, off-road tires, all the body lines. We didn't touch anything. The interior.
I like how boingy the steering wheel works.
Right, just enough. And they had the Sun logo at the top, so it kind of works with the old cowboy gaucho theme to it.
Looks really good in there.
Yeah, we're switching out the ECU right now. I have a little bit of headache with that, but Holly was able to help us get one overnighted.
Is that a Terminator setup here?
Terminator X, yes.
Oh, yeah.
The wheelbase is about the same. The bed itself is about 1 inch longer than a standard American wheelbase. And then factory split bumpers. The Chevrolet embossed in the tailgate was factory as well.
It looks different than the American embossing on it too.
And the rear windows inset, they definitely really did that in the US. But, yeah, even the glass, everything's completely different.
Wow. Never would have guessed they like completely redesigned it for another country.
Absolutely, yeah, and they only built it there, nowhere else.
Was that the original tag that came with this?
No, unfortunately I didn't get the original tag. So this is kind of one thing that helped pick a direction this truck is. It's from a place called Rio Grande do Sul.
Oh yeah.
That's where all of the gauchos, the ranches are in Brazil. And our concept was to make ultimate ranch truck out of this. So that's what we did. I got to give you a tag from there. Eventually,
it looks good on there. It's better than like the American tag for sure. So
it's just a little bit different from anywhere else you're gonna see it.
You got to really sell the story.
Yeah, if you're gonna go all the way, buddy. Come on.
I got the hat. Yeah.
I'm gonna go for a drive in this thing. She make anything look good. It does. It's great to see that, we're getting help on other people's builds and kind of share our passion that, our parts are going into it, and that's exactly what we want. We love cars and going out and having fun with them. If we can help somebody on their build and add to that, that's the best feeling ever.